More and more jobs are calling for people with STEM knowledge and skills. With MimioSTEM solutions, students from kindergarten through high school can regularly engage in hands-on STEM activities, lessons, and long-term projects. Our high-quality Robo 3D printers, MyBot robotics system, and LabDisc portable sensors enable teachers to move beyond the traditional classroom to complete 360-degree learning. Our solutions help teachers provide quality, hands-on STEM lessons for any learning environment, in class, remote, and hybrid. Teachers aren't limited to the classroom, and students aren't limited to textbooks. Robo 3D printers enable teachers to manufacture hands-on learning tools and encourage students to think creatively, engineer solutions to real-life needs, and collaborate with others to realize their visions. The Mimio MyBot educational robotics system helps students learn how to code and program, growing their skills in critical thinking and problem solving. The LabDisc portable STEMLab uses sensor technology so students can conduct experiments in any environment. STEM isn't limited to the classroom with the LabDisc. Each of our MimioSTEM products come with lessons via our curriculum platform, mystemkits.com. We integrate hundreds of lessons of engaging curriculum for all of our products into one single sign-on platform that's compatible with any device. All MimioSTEM products include self-paced, online training, lifetime customer support, software, and curriculum to help you get up and running with STEM instruction. We're confident that our award-winning suite of STEM products will engage teachers and students alike. Part of the Mimio Connected Classroom, which is in a class of its own.